In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can highlight text in Adobe InDesign. Now, there isn't an easy option to do so, but there is a workaround you can use to highlight your text. So first, I'm going to select a text here, and then I'm going to go to Window, Styles, and Character Styles. And this opens a new window with your character styles. There might be styles here, but we're simply going to press the plus sign to create a new style, and then edit the style, give it a name. And then we're going to go to the underline options, and here we're going to check that the underline is on, and we're going to give it a color. You can also give it a tint if you want to. And I'm first going to press OK so I can deselect, and this way we see what we're doing. And I'm going to edit the highlight again. Now, here we're going to go to the underline options again, and we're going to change the weight. And then make sure your preview is on so you see what you're doing. Maybe 10. And then we're going to change the offset also. So it's on top of our text here, minus, maybe we have to increase the weight a bit. Something like this looks okay. And then you press OK. And now, let's put that back where it was. And now when you select a text like this, and you click your character style highlight, you automatically highlight the text you've chosen. So you can double click your character style and then edit your underline options, give it another color, or change your width and your height. So that's the way you can create a highlight so you can highlight your text in Adobe InDesign. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press that subscribe button to see more of my videos. I have new ones going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.